looking up how to speed up the laptop. So fix one, go to, the File Explorer, and then find Windows C Drive. Here, go back one, we need to go to this PC. Then on Windows C, right click and look up Properties. Here we have Properties bit. Now if I click on Disk Cleanup, it should show me what I could clear up. So you can use Disk Cleanup to free up this amount of space. So if I click all those now, which you could do, I don't really need to on this. I'm looking all this up for another laptop next to me that's I'm having problems with. So I could click on all those now, and then press OK. I sure want to delete these and delete files. I don't need to on this, but that's the first fix to speed up your laptop. There are things you could get rid of. I don't need to gain much space on this laptop at the moment.